When producing switchboards or motor control centres, quite often you'll have different electrical circuits in different cubicles. And your electrical circuits will be effectively placed in the compartments within the switchboard or motor control centre or multiple compartment cubicle. So in this instance we've got a schematic which is in cubicle 1A and we've got another schematic which is in cubicle 2A. We've produced the backplate and door layouts for both cubicle 1A and we've got a backplate for cubicle 2A. We can then draw as an overall GA a layout of how our cubicles are going to be laid out. We're then going to use an option called Insert External Reference and attach an image of our drawing 2. We can reduce the size by just specifying on screen, or we can type it in a value. So as an example, this might be 1/10 of the actual door layout size in scale factors. And we can insert that down. Simply using move from the intersection. We can move that object so it lines up with the other cubicles. But of course we don't want to show the back plate. That's easily removed by clipping the object rectangular boundary, and the first clip section is going to be again the top corner to the bottom corner, thus only showing that particular cubicle. Just going to save the drawing now and we'll go back into one of those drawings and make some alterations. Save the drawing, and when we go back into the general arrangement it will automatically advise us that the A2 cubicle has actually needs to be reloaded, and as you can see it automatically refreshes.